Students, this is D block element 12th standard chemistry. In this video we are going to discuss about the preparation of potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate formula K2Cr2O7. So how to prepare the potassium dichromate? Actually potassium dichromate is a orange red color crystalline substance. Okay, it is obtained from the chromite ore or chrome ore, formula FeCr2O4. When it reacts with the sodium carbonate and oxygen at the temperature of 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius, it is converted to sodium chromate. This is sodium chromate. So remember that the CrO4 2 minus, when you are separated sodium plus, you are getting CrO4 2 minus, it's a chromate. So this one is a sodium chromate, and iron is converted to iron oxide or ferric oxide, and from the CO3 it is converted to CO2. So it takes time to balance, that's why remember this number 487828. Okay, next, so sodium chromate, when it reacts with the sulfuric acid, it is converted to sodium dichromate. So Cr2O7 2 minus is the dichromate formula. The sodium reacts with the sulfate, the sodium reacts with the sulfate, sodium sulfate. Of course hydrogen is there, so water is removed. So we have 2Na and 2Na, that's why 2 2s are 4Na. So sodium dichromate, when it reacts with the KCl, instead of sodium you are getting potassium. So K2Cr2O7 is a potassium dichromate with the loss of NaCl. So we have 2 potassium, that's why you are writing 2 here. So you have 2 sodium, that's why you are writing 2 here. So potassium dichromate is a orange red color. It is used to confirm that the compound containing chloride ion. So these 3 equations enough to get the full mark for the preparation of potassium dichromate. Keep it in mind. Hello students, this is 12th standard chemistry. The last video we discussed about the preparation of potassium dichromate. In this video we are going to discuss about some of the physical properties and the structure of the dichromate ion. So in the physical properties, it is a orange red crystalline substance, melting point at 671 Kelvin. It is highly soluble in hot water, moderately soluble in the water. On action of heat, the dichromate is converted to chromate. Look at this, CrO7 is a dichromate, CrO4 is a chromate. So when you are decomposing, you are getting potassium chromate and chromic oxide with liberation of oxygen. So underline this, inga 4 podano appdinu nyabagam vechukkinga, then only you will get the easy balancing. 4 2s are 8 potassium, so 4 2s are 8 potassium. So 4 2s are 8 chromium. So here already 4 chromium. So if you are writing 2 here, it's become 4. Okay. After that, when you are calculating oxygen, you will put the 3 on the before the oxygen. So these are the some of the physical properties of potassium dichromate. What about the structure of potassium dichromate? So when the potassium dichromate and sodium potassium chromate, when it dissolves into the water, it split up into ion. So this one is a chromate ion, that is CrO4 2 minus. This is a structure. Okay, here the chromium in the +6 oxidation state. In the dichromate structure is this one, Cr. It is connected to 1 2 3 4 oxygen atom. This is also 1 2 3 and 4. One oxygen is common for both the chromium. So this is the structure for chromate anion and dichromate anion. In both the formulas, the chromium in the +6 oxidation state. Okay, so but this one is a yellow color and this one is a orange color.